Welcome back. We have talked about steps for compiling a virus with custom building blocks, as well as three different algorithms to infect an executable with a virus. In this chapter, we will complete the missing piece that is required to actually run the virus as a part of the infected binary. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to connect all the dots together and apply what you have learned. What is redirection and why do we need it? Say we have carefully engineered a virus, built it, and extracted it in a form that's ready to be injected. Then, we use one of the infection algorithms we talked about in the last chapter to find a place for this virus in the host executable. At this point, the host executable's file structure has been changed to accommodate the virus, but the virus doesn't just run as soon as it's inserted. We have yet to change the execution flow of the host. When the infected binary is run, it will not execute the injected virus. This is why we need redirection. As the last step in this workflow, we need to perform one additional modification to the infected binary to hijack the original program's control flow so we can execute the virus before the original code runs. Previously, when looking at the file structure difference before and after an infection, we only inspected the section and program header changes, but skipped some of the details on this entry point modification. In this chapter, we will talk about two different redirection methods and reveal how we achieve running the virus before the code from the infected binary runs.